You eat food every single day, but you have no idea how crazy it actually is. Here are 5 food facts that will completely shock you. Archaeologists have discovered honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that is over 3,000 years old, and it was still perfectly edible. Honey never expires because of its low moisture content and natural hydrogen peroxide. It is literally the only food in the world that lasts forever if stored properly. Botanically speaking, bananas are classified as berries because they develop from a single flower with one ovary. But strawberries are not berries at all. They are actually called accessory fruits. So next time someone argues about this, you can drop this fact on them. The ancient Aztecs valued cacao beans so highly that they used them as currency. You could literally buy food, clothing, and even slaves with chocolate beans. They believed cacao was a gift from the gods, and only the wealthy and powerful were allowed to drink it. Have you ever noticed that apples float in water? That is because apples are made up of about 25% air. This air is trapped between the cells of the apple, giving it that satisfying crunch when you bite into it. Without that, air apples would sink just like most other fruits. In the 1830s, doctors in the United States actually prescribed tomato ketchup as medicine. They believed tomatoes could cure conditions like diarrhea, liver problems, and indigestion. Tomato pills were even sold in pharmacies. It was not until much later that ketchup became the condiment we know today. Which food fact shocked you the most? Follow FactBurst for more mind-blowing facts every week. Thanks a ton for watching.